Hi and welcome. My name is Heather. Today we're doing yoga for sore muscles. So if you've been feeling a little tight, a little sore, this is going to be a great class to stretch it all out, feel a little better in your body. And before we get right into our flow, please make sure to subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on for free yoga classes here every single week. If you're all set, meet me in a standing position in the middle of your mat and take the feet out wide. So feet are parallel towards one another, toes are pointing towards the side. Inhale, lift both hands up to the sky. And exhale, drop your right hand to your leg. Inhale, one more time. Lift up a little bit through the chest. And exhale, lean to the right side. You can even look up. On an inhale, come back up, both hands come to the sky. And then exhale, drop this left hand. Inhale one more time, just to find lift. And exhale, lean to the left side. Both hands come back up, inhale, and exhale, palms come to kiss, float it all the way down. Gently, just let your head hang. If you want to even grab opposite elbows, go for it. Personalize your practice, so whatever feels the most comfortable in your body today. If you find that your arms are closer to the ground, you can always bring your feet towards one another a little bit. Or wider if you want a deeper hip stretch. Inhale, roll it up, one vertebrae at a time, all the way up to standing. And then turn your right toes forward. Line your feet up so that your front arch is coming in line with your back heel, or your front heel is coming in line with your back arch, and both hands, come out wide. Bump the right hip back, lean forward just a little, and then stack the shoulders. If you want, you can even take this top hand to rest on your hip. And then slowly lift back up on an inhale. Turn those right toes in. And then those left toes out. So just switching. Again, making sure the front heel is in line with the back arch. Hands stay out wide. Bump the left hip back. Shift forward and then down. And again, if you wanted that top hand on your hip, if it's more comfortable, you can make that adjustment today. Lift back up, turn those left toes in, right toes forward once more, and then just come down to a runner's lunge. Lower the back knee, uncurl the toes, coming into a low lunge. Lift both arms up, inhale. Gentle practice today. So maybe a little bit more passive, and that's okay. Bend through the left arm, grab a hold of it, with your right hand and give it a gentle pull. Release, both hands come back up first, and then starting with the left hand, bring it down to the ground, open up to the right side, and then send this right hand back. If you want to reach for your foot, lift up your back foot, see if you can grab a hold of it. If you are struggling with this, you can always loop a strap around your foot and grab a hold of the strap. But grab a hold of your foot. Inhale to open up the chest to the sky first, and exhale, bring that foot in towards the hips. Another great option is bringing a blanket under this back knee here, as it can be a little daunting on the knee. Release, send this hand forward, and then press down through the ground. Curl those back toes under. Lift up the front foot into the chest, so squeezing the knee into the chest, and then bring the knee out, ankle in, just to set it back down for pigeon. Uncurling the toes, or keeping them curled under if that's more comfortable for you. Squaring the hips, inhale, find a lift in the chest, and then exhale if you would like to fold, folding forward, maybe coming onto forearms. When you're ready, press your hands into the ground, curl those back toes under, lift up, you got it, knee first, and then front leg. Bring it to a downward facing dog. Lifting the hips up high, chest press towards the thighs. Let's switch. Inhale, lift up the left leg to the sky. Exhale, squeeze that knee into the chest, flex through the front foot, step it right in between the hands. Lower through the back knee, uncurl the toes. Lift up, inhale. Both hands to the sky, relax the shoulders, and then bend through the right elbow. Grab a hold of it with your left hand, and give it a little pull. Nothing crazy here. And focus on your breath. Release from the elbow, both hands come to the sky, and then leading with the right hand, bring it down to the ground, open up your chest towards the left side, and then send this left hand back. Lifting up through the back toes if you did it on the other side. See if you can grab a hold of that foot. And then inhale to open up the chest towards the sky. And exhale, bring that knee in towards the hips. Release. Send this left hand forward. Press down through the palms, curl those back toes under if they're not already. Lift up through the back knee, lift up through the front foot, and then bring the knee out, ankle in, point the toes, and set the shin down for pigeon on the other side. So just quick check-in, hips are square, back foot is in line with the leg. Use your fingertips to press yourself up and open the chest. And then if you would like to fold on this side, folding on the left side. Use your hands to press yourself up. Plant the palms, curl the back toes under, and just send your front leg back and then drop the knees, coming to a tabletop position. So just meet me in a tabletop with hips over knees, shoulders over wrists. Uncurl the toes, and let's move through some cat-cows together. Inhaling, dropping the belly, and exhaling, drawing the chin in, pulling those abs up towards the ceiling. Inhale, drop the stomach, and exhale, round. Inhale once more, open the chest. Exhale, round the back of the neck long. And one more inhale. And exhale. Come to a neutral tabletop. Take the knees out wide, toes come to touch, and shift the hips back. Walk the hands forward just a little and come to bring the forehead down. Take a few deep breaths here. Relax the jaw. Relax the shoulders. If you want, you can even take your elbows out wide and pointer fingers and thumbs to touch. This gives you a little more space on the shoulders. And then lift up, come up to seated. Bring those legs out around in front of you, swinging the feet to the front. Keep the left leg straight, point the toes up towards the ceiling or flex the foot, and bend through the right knee. Grab a hold of this right knee with your left arm, right fingertips behind you, and you can look back. Release, send the right leg out, bend through the left knee, grab a hold of it with your right arm, left fingertips back, and look back. Release. Bring the feet together, soles on the mat, and just shift forward a little bit and roll onto your back. You can shift your shoulders and your hips to get a comfortable position, and then take the knees out wide. Soles come to touch each other, so making a diamond shape with the legs, and both hands come palm face up on either side of you. I'm going to leave you here in this reclined goddess pose today. Feel free to stay in it as long as it's comfortable for you, or take a normal traditional sort of shavasana. Have a wonderful one. I hope you enjoyed this class, and I'll see you in the next one. Namaste.